one too.
Yeah, he's a
No, what? Come on. What are you doing wrong? You're not pushing hard enough. Find that compression. What I do, show you with your leg. Hard.
There we go.
Turn it off.
Now turn it off. Push it all the way. There you go.
All right.
What happened?
All right.
You gotta put that force back there. You gotta have some
You
pressure.
can't just give up. I got it. Ready?
Push it down really hard.
No, I don't want to do it.
Oh, you got it.
No! Oh! See? You gave her more instructions.
What are you doing? You wanted to move, you gotta put it in gear.
Shush, I don't want to go in
Does
gear.
that have pedals?
Yes, I know. I don't want to go in gear because I think I'm going to fall.
Look, you
First
can
gear's down,
you
right?
balance it like it's a
Yeah,
bike.
but you gotta use your clutch.
This.
Yep.
Pull it, then down.
Hold it.
Hold it.
Down.
Down.
We need to call.
Easy, easy. Don't let go all the way. Easy. Now like riding a bike. Like riding a bike.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Now you gotta catch. He's not coming back.
My feet on the pedals, right? Yeah. So both foot.
Whatever you need.
Can you not do that?
Like riding a bike. Whatever you need to hold the bike up. Hold the bike up. Lift your foot. Find your foot. Push down. First gear.
No, it's right here. Oh.
First
She's
gear.
pushing the pedal.
Now easily let go of that and you find halfway. Get up.